Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can set app clone on your mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to set app clone, here you have to move on setting. Then after that, here you have to scroll on the down to here you can see the privacy option. Just tap on privacy. When you move on privacy, on the side you can see a privacy protection. So here you have to tap on the privacy protection. After that you have to scroll on the down and here you can see the exclude. So here you have to click on this exclude inside this privacy protection function. Click on exclude. Then after that, if you want to set app clone, here you can see I set for the Instagram app clone, and if you want to set for the Snapchat app clone, you can set by just clicking on this icon. See, it has been added. You can set for the Messenger. If you want to set app clone, you can turn off also the app clones, okay, by just clicking on this icon and click on close, and here app clone will be closed. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the app clones. Okay, so here you can see the app clones, Facebook, Messenger and the Snapchat. Okay, here one Facebook. Then after that, here you can see Instagram. Here is the app clone. Okay, I hide my Instagram, that's why it's not showing here. Okay, suppose here I'll turn on this Facebook also. Okay, turn on this Facebook. Then after that, click on turn on this one. Okay, turn on Facebook. Then after that, here let's move on the here's the Facebook and here's the app clone. So here you are going to find this Facebook app clone. You can set dual apps or app clone easily like this. Okay, so here is the Facebook real and here is the fake Facebook. Okay, you can delete also if you want to delete by just clicking on this icon. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.